Sure. Here's a 700-word YouTube-style script article for the 2025 Yezdi Adventure, crafted in a way that works well for a YouTube video voiceover or blog post without relying on sound cues, i.e., it's not dependent on audio or music transitions. 2025 Yezdi Adventure Review. A true off-road contender evolves. If you're a fan of rugged bikes with a nostalgic heart and modern muscle, the 2025 Yezdi Adventure is a name you need to know. This latest iteration of the classic adventure machine is more than just a facelift, it's a strategic evolution in power, purpose, and poise. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Yezdi Adventure, from engine upgrades to real-world touring capability, all in under 10 minutes. Design and styling, retro roots, modern soul. The 2025 Yezdi Adventure retains its retro-inspired silhouette, but now sports a more refined, muscular design. The tank has been reshaped slightly to improve rider grip and aerodynamics, while sharper lines and matte color finishes give it a rugged, tactical feel. Whether you go for the stealth gray, desert khaki, or the new midnight camo edition, the bike has presence. The front beak fender, crash guards, and tall windscreen are all standard now, and that windscreen is adjustable for real. Yezdi has also listened to rider feedback. The split seats are now better contoured for long-distance comfort, and the rear rack is stronger with multiple mounting points for luggage. Engine and performance, bigger, better, bolder. Let's talk power. The most exciting upgrade is under the tank. The 2025 Adventure gets a new 349cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, replacing the previous 334cc version. It now produces 34 horsepower and 30 Nm of torque, tuned specifically for mid-range punch and smoother highway cruising. Yezdi also refined the 6-speed gearbox with improved gear ratios for better tractability in city and off-road conditions. The engine now rests on redesigned mounts to reduce vibrations, something many riders asked for. And yes, the throttle response is sharper, thanks to updated fuel mapping and a lighter slipper clutch. Suspension and handling, built for real adventures. The suspension setup has been tweaked as well. At the front, it still rocks a 41mm long travel telescopic fork, but with revised damping for better rebound control. At the rear, the monoshock now gets 7-step adjustability and improved spring preload. The ground clearance remains a solid 220mm, enough to take on most trails, gravel paths, and gnarly hill climbs. What's most impressive, though, is the balance. The 2025 Adventure feels more planted, whether you're riding standing up on footpegs or leaning into corners and winding mountain roads. Brakes and tires, confident and controlled. Stopping power comes from disc brakes at both ends, with dual-channel ABS that's now switchable at the rear, a critical feature for off-road riders. The 320mm front disc paired with a new brake master cylinder delivers more bite and feel. The tires are now block pattern MRF Meteor Trails, designed for 60% road and 40% off-road use. They're mounted on 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, ideal for rugged surfaces without compromising highway performance. Tech and features, adventure-ready interface. Yezdi didn't stop at mechanical improvements. The 2025 Adventure comes with an all-new TFT digital display. It's brighter, sharper, and now supports turn-by-turn navigation via Bluetooth, call alerts, and even ride analytics. You also get USB charging ports, hazard lights, and a gear position indicator. The Adventure now includes riding modes, eco, road, and off-road, that adjust throttle response and ABS behavior. Real-world touring, tested and trusted. Yezdi built this bike for more than weekend trails. With a 15.5-liter fuel tank, better wind protection, and reworked ergonomics, the 2025 Adventure is a genuinely capable tourer. Riders have reported real-world mileage of 30 to 35 kmpl, which puts your range around 450 to 500 km on a full tank, perfect for long rides without frequent fuel stops. Pair that with a rugged frame, high-mounted exhaust, and wide handlebars, and you've got a machine that's as at home in the Himalayas as it is in the Western Ghats. Price and rivals, competitive and convincing. The 2025 Yezdi Adventure is priced at 2.38 lakh rupees ex-showroom, putting it head-to-head with the Royal Enfield Himalayan, KTM 250 Adventure, and Hero X Pulse 400. Compared to its rivals, the Yezdi offers a compelling middle ground, More power than the X-Pulse, better touring features than the KTM, and a more aggressive price tag than the Himalayan 450. Final thoughts. A serious player in the ADV game. The 2025 Yezdi Adventure is not just a cosmetic update. It's a mature, thoughtful upgrade to a platform that already had potential. With improved power, better tech, and real adventure-ready capability, it finally earns its name. If you're looking for a bike that can do the daily grind, weekend escapes, and even cross-country tours, the new Yezdi Adventure should absolutely be on your radar. Would you like a version of this formatted as a blog post or optimized for SEO and thumbnails?